maybe the word entrepreneur, we could think of it being used almost interchangeably with the word creator. Because isn't that precisely what you're doing in business? Isn't there this emerging beautiful, creative child that is coming from some place that you never recognized, but it's just as real as reality itself? And so the creative moment has a throughput to the entrepreneur. And don't you love being a carrier of that? I wonder sometimes, and I hope what that means is that somehow we're emulating God, the highest good. And I know that you've been in this moment before. You know, life has you in this very stable space. We'll call that ordered space. And then a disruptive thought comes to you. And that disruption is so compelling, it pulls you from the space that you once were in, and it pulls you to a different place. I see a lot of rumors of that in the Genesis account. That whole context of, think about this, God standing in perfect order, and then looking across the span of time and finding this place where you and I live. And he makes this creative gesture. And I find this gesture loaded with risk as well. The risk is, I'm going to leave perfect order. And Genesis is pretty clear about this account. I'm going to step into what? I'm going to step into chaos. How many times have you done that in your careers? Where everything is ordered, and it's time to expand, or it's time to enter into a new business, and you know that there was this compulsion that pulled you somewhere else, and you step from order into chaos. I think what you and I know is this: it's all risk. It's all risk. What if you take that first fragile step and you step into oblivion? You have lived there before and you love it. You love that bleeding edge of not having the assurance of a future, but knowing that risk is causing you to compel you to get to some place that as of today doesn't exist.